Welcome to this tutorial on the color contrast check in the Prep Checker report. Color contrast checks help ensure that text is readable for users with visual impairments by verifying sufficient contrast between text and background colors. Prep checks the color contrast of text in the document according to WCAG accessibility standards. To view the color contrast results, run the checker report for the document. Navigate to Distinguishable and review the contrast section to see whether they pass or fail accessibility requirements. If the document contains color contrast issues, they will be listed under this section. Select an entry to highlight the corresponding text content in the document. This helps you locate the exact content in the document that does not meet the required color contrast requirements. That's it. You have successfully reviewed the color contrast check using the Prep Checker report. Thank you.